Good morning, everybody. This is Susie with Runaround Susie G. As you can see, we found another campsite here in Florida, and I'm going to take you just a quick walk around to show you. Free 4 days, super quiet. Really enjoyed this one. So if you're ever down here, it's an hour away from Daytona Beach. So really rustic, no amenities. So come check this spot out. Let me show you the rest of this. This is the drive-in. So vans, cars, maybe a small RV. We've seen some pop-up trailers back here, but it is very remote, very spotty on internet. Verizon is very spotty, very slow, but I still can get like maps and stuff like that. This, if you see, is the Forest Service Department. Up there is the name. And so if you want to pause this, you can actually blow this up and read this, but basically is a four-night stay. There's the address. Screenshot it and you can send it. I'm going to try to set a GPS tag to this. We'll see if I can do that with Wi-Fi or the data service I've got here. I don't know. But it is free camping, 4 days. There's a tent site. I'm going to take you up here to the road. It is off the beaten path for sure. So, dirt, very bumpy road. And we came in from this way. Lots of bumps. So you would have to go extremely slow. But, alright, so let me show you. There's really no pull-through ones. There's one right at the front where you could do like a UE if you had a... I wouldn't try to put anything bigger than a 27 back here, and that would be pushing it with these low limbs. Like that one. Oh, sorry for the sun. Very shaded. You still get spots of sun here and there. We have flex or panels that we move, suitcase ones. So there's one for like a car. Here's a couple more. Again, this one would be just probably for ignore. And then there is walking paths. Some of them disappear into nothing. Oh, sorry for that jostle there. I think I might have lost the path. On the way here, we did see a bear, so I would be cautious about trash and your bear stuff. I think I've hit a dead end. Very forest. If that's even a word, I don't know, but it's beautiful back here. Within less than a quarter of a mile, there's this boat ramp. It's in walking distance, and this is where people come down and go swimming. Sandy. Very beautiful. Now, if you're going to drive to this boat ramp, one side was hard enough for us to drive the van down. This side, very sandy. I definitely would not try my van down this side, but you can see that somebody left a gas can here. I don't know, people just leave random trash all over. It's really sad. It's a beautiful place, and yet people want to leave trash. I don't know. But as you can see, it's like a big turnaround down here. I'll walk over here a little bit further, and there's the river down there. Sorry, the sun is definitely lots of sun down here. Lots of wildlife. I've seen lots of little lizards, and mosquitoes haven't been too bad here, so that's nice. I'm sure somebody had a vehicle down there at one time, but it looks like a runoff here. And then there's like a big pit over here that people do quads and side-by-sides. So, very, very rustic, dispersed, carry in, carry out spot. Somebody even left a slide here. Or maybe somebody comes back and uses this slide. Rope swing over there. Very cool campsite. Definitely will be returning to this spot.